Basically, the Indian economy is on a free fall. We are on a high free fall. And we all know what the conclusion can be if you're jumping from a height of 36,000 feet above sea level and you're not accompanied by a parachute. There is a serious crisis before the Indian economy. Let us not even make the mistake of trying to undermine the criticality of our current economic circumstances. Now I'll come down and give you a couple of hard economic realities that will confirm how serious the situation is. Let's look at today's headline. Today's headline is that the core sector output in India, the core sector comprises of coal, it comprises of crude oil, it comprises of cement, steel, electricity, natural gas. The core sector output in India is down. In the month of September, it has actually gone negative by 5.2%. It shrunk by 5.2%. A 5.2 contraction in percentage terms makes it the worst ever in the last 19 months. So you are talking about a real Herculean fall. It's been a real Herculean fall of the Indian economy. And when the core sector is struggling, it means India's infrastructure and everything else is really at the moment reaching, as they call it, as the bottomless pit. Point number two, and by the way, I'll have a press release for you in both English and Marathi after we are done with our Q&A. So you will get a comprehensive press release. But look at point number two, that even the RBI, our own central bank, has lowered the estimation of India's GDP for the fiscal year 1920 to 6.1. The RBI lowering the forecast is a very disturbing recognition that even the RBI, which is prone to central government influence, cannot run away from the reality that we are in an economic, if I don't want to call it an emergency, it is a serious financial risk that India is at. Please do not ignore the jobs issues. आप ये देख लीजिए, we keep talking about natural resources, financial resources. The biggest waste in India is human resources. Can you imagine a young demographic dividend of India? जहाँ पर इतने लोग हमारे देश में हैं जो काम कर सकते हैं, आज बेरोजगार हैं. Can you quantify that value in rupee terms?